Hi, I'm cooking and baking.
I am Crocodile Matthew.
And handcrafting.
I am Snorkeling Anna.
I'm the pool and Baywatch daddy, Wolfgang.
I little Sarah.
She's sick, she got a flu. And painting mommy, Danny.
And
we are the fathers. From Germany, from the Black Forest where the cuckoo clock's coming from. Years ago I was traveling as backpackers in Australia and it was so wonderful. I never ever felt in my life what nature really is because we don't have that in Germany. I would like to show my children what this feels like, and it would wonderful to be in Australia all together. So please vote us, because I always tell the people they should save all their holidays to go once in their life to Australia to make their holidays there, because it's the wonderful place in the world. Thank you.